Hello everyone, it's Marie Stick here, and here is the whelen 2805 in Litchfield, Illinois. It's located by the cemetery there. That's where I shot it the last time. But here is a closer view of it. I'm not going to stand here too long because it's quite cold. But here is the siren. It goes off every first Tuesday. My goal is I'm going to get the one by the lake. There's one by the beach. So they got 5 sirens in town, probably more. But they got 8 in total. I think the one is just by the lake. But here is the 2805. They got a combination of 2805s, 2804s. They got one whelen vortex by the school, and I don't know the others. I don't know if this was a 2001 or a Model 2, Model 5, Model 7. But I know at again by the Rule King, there was a 2001. They got rid of it and replaced it. And by the fire station, they had a Thunderbolt 1000 Pre, and they got rid of that and replaced that too. So if you guys know what siren was here at this location, just let me know in the comments below. I could get over on the sidewalk and give you another view of it. But 1, it's cold. 2, if I can be quick about it, I would go over and give you a view of it. But you can see the control box. I looked at the control box. It doesn't say wheelen. But there is the siren. I'll try to make it a 3-minute video. I could get over on the side, but I think when cars come in, it's kind of dangerous. But I'm going to walk over here. You can see the control box quite clearly from over here. Oh, crap. Oh, well. Yeah, I don't have winter protection on that much. But, yeah. So, I'm not going to walk over on the street. I'm just going to let you see it from here. But there's the siren, there's the control box, and there's the siren. It's quite a winter day here, even though it's still autumn. But this is one of Litchfield's sirens. You can see how far it is when I zoom out. I'll make it a 3-minute video. But here she is. Next up, the beach by Lake Lou Yeager. And they got a siren like this there too. Peace.